It is a pleasure to see you again on my CryptoQ Media channel. Where does the price of XRP stand, and how will it be affected by the latest announcement of the Federal Reserve reducing interest rates? Some interesting forecasts on the price's trajectory and, more importantly, the future of Ripple and the clarity of rules around XRP have surfaced. The cryptocurrency industry. Going to give you the rundown on everything, including some big XRP news you won't want to miss. Subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up will get you in on all the fun. I would want to start with the big news. Also, in case you missed it, Hedera and the Aptos Foundation support the MiCA Crypto Alliance, of which Ripple is a part. Ultimately, we want crypto firms to be able to comply with EU legislation. Amazing to think about. To be more specific, they will serve as advocates, and we will soon be looking into Ripple, which we now believe to be completely resolved with the SEC. It is old, as you have confirmed, Stuart. Among other things, they will fight for access to and compliance with EU markets. To me, this is the very definition of rippling. Curiously, Hedera and Aptos collaborate to enhance this procedure. The partnership will help regulated crypto asset service companies comply with EU crypto regulations under MiCA, according to a DSF press release. This will be achieved by connecting them to a shared network of experts, resources, and tools. While some of the MiCA regulations did go into effect this year, lawmakers in Europe passed them in 2023. Since the entire legislation won't have any bearing until late 2024, we can anticipate a massive market upswing to start in late 2024 if we decide to get engaged. It intrigues me, and more significantly, it is in perfect harmony with the principles that XRP represents. Maybe you have a few questions on your mind right now, like, will this drive the price to zero? Their partnership arrangement and the things they propose to sell are intriguing, albeit maybe not exactly. It is hard to believe that the same SEC that went after XRP 4 years ago for token securities is now providing compliance coaching and support to help its customers meet the requirements of the European market. Ours is a strange world, for sure, but I find this fascinating. Furthermore, this will lay the groundwork for a great deal of future progress. Not only that, but it will be even bigger than before. This is vital. The Mega Crypto Alliance is contacting blockchain developers and exchanges in an effort to gain support in its mission to standardize and regulate the cryptocurrency industry. Consequently, think about that carefully. Ripple is incredibly hopeful since it is connected to all these different exchanges. Curiously, I would like to know Paul Greenwolf's take on the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in relation to our previous discussion, Stuart. As Aldo Tree noted, even though the Ripple's lawsuit is over, the fair notice defense is still in play. When compared to other people, the Coinbase incidents, among many others, are obviously relevant here. Not to mention the SEC's public apology for any confusion its false and repeated assertions regarding tokens as securities may have caused. Great, almost. I believe it just restates what we said before, even though we touched on it briefly in a previous video. The Ripple case has been closed, but the $120 million is still unpaid. Got it? The emergence of Grayscale Trust is fascinating in and of itself. For the avoidance of doubt, Stuart Aldrich has spoken out on his belief that XRP and the SEC are no longer competitive. This is fantastic news. Can we expect a significant spike in prices as a result of that? Very interesting, I have to admit. We will quickly review the graphs. Even though XRP's performance has been outperforming the market, it did drop to 5,757 earlier today. Now it's back up, but XRP had weekly gains of 8% and monthly returns of 1.5%, making it the 7th biggest coin by market cap. This is obviously good news. There is a lot of speculation about when we might reach certain levels, such as 1, 2, 5, or 10. First things first, we must break 60 cents. I couldn't agree more. 62 cents higher. Nevertheless, many are thinking that a huge rate cut may excite the market. With everything that has happened, XRP might easily fall inside that range. Might be able to surf the wave of success to prosperity like everyone else. It makes sense when you look at the price action because we taught you how to draw this chart ages ago, following a very good pattern here. Strangely, September 18th was the day we set for this. We foresaw a change in the market, no doubt about it. That which we were referring to was half a point. Despite consensus that the rise would be 25 basis points, the market is now factoring in a 50 basis point possibility. Thus, what effect does that have on XRP? We are trading strongly above the 50-day moving average and above the 100-day simple moving average on the daily chart, which is good news. The RSI divergence is also moving upwards, and all of the indicators are looking quite positive. The general trend is encouraging, so we might be able to get those 50 basis points. If you want to ignite the XRP market, you should join us. If you recall from 62, you may easily break the upper resistance of this downward channel by flicking back here. Emphasis is key. On Wednesday or Thursday morning, I think we can break, and then we can get moving. It is possible that we will see a retest of the 60-cent mark, or 6,265, before moving into October, or October as it is often known, and witnessing a notable rise. What if it is the catalyst that causes XRP to reach $5, $6, or $10? Feel free to share your opinions on how you think XRP could be affected by the upcoming Fed rate cut in the comments section. Please, as usual, inform me if you found the video entertaining and would like to see other content pertaining to XRP. We are quite grateful for the viewers' presence here. It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. Until then, take care.